Welcome. In front of me I have the Spigen MagSafe Wallet, and I'll go over unboxing along with a test fit for every iPhone 16 that has come out recently. Now right here I have the, I think this is the 16. I also have the 16 Plus, Pro, and Pro Max just off the screen. So anyway, let's just get straight into this. Yoink that. So it is nicely rubberized here. Oh, I also need to press it. There we go. Inside we have a bit more rubber to hold a couple different things. A bit of a pocket almost with a bit of a retention right here. And that's about it. So it looks like this locks it up. So now I just flip it over and yoink on there. It does protrude a little bit from the side, as you can see right here, and it does add the smallest iPhone a bit of bulk, as you can possibly see. So there we go. Now let's bring up the Plus. I think that's the Plus, right? I honestly can't tell which one is which. If I didn't grab the wrong one, which is very possible. So anyway, yep, I think this is actually the old iPhone. So 15 or whichever one that is. So I did grab the wrong one. So there we go. This is actually the 16 and this is the small one. So it looks like I am missing the Plus 16. Anyway, so now bringing the Pro in here. It protrudes a little bit less, I would say, at least from the side. So it only goes one way. I also have the lens protector, and that is like very close on there, but still enough space. And last will be the Pro Max. Now that is obviously a chunkers, and yeah, this kind of wallet will be most likely, I would say, best for the Pro Max, as it just kind of, the device covers it the most, so it's not protruding all that much like it is, for instance, on the smaller version. There we go. As you can see, it does stick out quite a bit from left and right side, so you have hinges visible right here, and things on the side. So yeah. So yeah, I would say this is probably the best fit right here. So it only will go one way. So there we go. Not much more to it. Just kind of wanted to do a little bit of a test fit. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.